Welcome to Wilgeo. Let's see how to edit time clock entries. Click on Reports. Click on Edit Reports. Under the Edit Time Clock tab, select the date for which you want to edit the time clock entry by clicking on the calendar icon. Once you've selected the date, click on Refresh. Select the entry you want to edit. Select the stage you want to change from the drop-down menu. You can also change the date and time for that time clock entry. Moreover, you can edit job site and task if needed. Add notes in Manager Notes for reference. Please note it is compulsory to add manager notes. Once you've edited all the details, click on Save Selected. Select the end date to view the report of a particular day or date range by clicking on the calendar icon. Click on Refresh to view the edited added time clock entry. You can see the updated time clock entry in the reports. Thanks for watching the video.